Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to see how to add and verify a payment method on Coinbase. First thing first, go to coinbase.com on your browser, then tap sign in on the top right. Enter your email and password, then complete 2FA to access your account. Make sure your bank details match your ID info used on Coinbase. Now click your profile icon on the top right of the dashboard, then go to Settings, Payment Methods. Click Add a Payment Method and choose a bank account. Click Continue, Login Played, and link your bank account, then finish KYC, then your bank account will be instantly added. Now Coinbase will send 2 small deposits within 2 to 3 business days. Check your bank statement for the amounts. Go back to Settings, then Payment Methods. Select your bank and click Verify. Enter the 2 deposit amounts and confirm. Once verified, your bank account will appear under Payment Methods and can be used for deposits and withdrawals. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.